how to change menu language on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to language and location. Okay, you can choose the language of the TV and your location. Okay, you can go to this. And here in language and location, you can see the menu language. So you can set the default language for the TV menu. So the menu language is set into English. So if you want to change the menu language, okay, you'll have to do is go to this and you can see the option. So you can change the menu language into Espanol, Portuguese. So for my example, I changed the menu language into Espanol. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed. So if you want to go back to English, so just select English. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the menu language on Devant Smart TV.